This Nedap 9553614 is a Gen 1 ballast for a head UV lamp used in a Trojan 4000 UV system, found in many wastewater treatment plants all over the world. At ERD, we have repaired hundreds of these, plus the newer generations of this ballast, and we have developed our own bench test and also a level of final test on an actual 4000 system ERD purchased and configured for this purpose. We perform work on all the subassemblies of the UV 4000 system, and as shown in the video, we fully test all assemblies on our own test system. In addition to UV lights for wastewater systems, we also repair UV systems used in manufacturing and printing.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.